Hey Colby, how's it going? This is Eddie from Boundless SEO. I was told you would be the correct person to watch this. I really hope you're watching. And thank you for giving us the green light to send this custom video to you. I'm here to audit your site while comparing your site to one of your competitors around your area. This video will explain what you have going behind the scenes of your website and how you can bring in more clients all on your own. Also, this video will give you a good understanding as to why your competitor is being found instead of you. I'm going to mainly be going over 3 things you can do today to help bring in more work. The 3 points, or categories I should say, are content, backlinks, and citations. Looks like this is your website here. This is a great website. It's fairly simple. The navigation is simple. All the links seems to be working just fine. I don't see any content. The colors, of course, they're soft in the eyes. Everything looks great. But again, not enough content, unfortunately. Typically, you want to see at least 1,500 words of text content on your home page alone. Not only will this improve the relevance of the services that you offer, but also improves a level of trust inside of Google's eyes. Google loves content. The more content you have, the more you appear as an expert inside of Google. In your 1,500 words of content, you want to start inserting good quality keywords. Keywords pretty much are words or phrases that searchers enter into search engines to discover available services. In this case, your services for garage repair. Just remember, the more content, the better. If your competitor has 1,000 words, then you want 1,500 words. If your competitor has 1,500 words, bump up to 2,000. This is a good way. Google is willing to place you higher in the results. Now the backlinks and citations. For this, let's jump into Ahrefs here real quick. This is a good tool to have, Ahrefs. If you don't mind paying for it, this is a great way to monitor what you have going behind the scenes of your website. And this is what you currently have. This is your website here. So 0 backlinks, no referring domains. Organic keywords, this is important here. I'll elaborate a little bit more on this shortly. You currently have 20. Organic traffic 2, so last month, you got 2 people jumping onto your website organically. The DR meter 4.7, the UR, you have no data, unfortunately. You want to keep these two at a 1-to-1 ratio. The UR and DR rating here is the power of the URL and domain, which you currently have none. A way to increase this, though, these ratings is through backlinks and citations. A backlink is a shout out or a clickable link from another website. It's basically a website linking to your website with a link. A citation is essentially your company's business name, address, and phone number listed throughout the web in different directories. And of course, a directory would be something like Yelp, Angie's List, or Yellow Pages. Ideally, you would like to keep both the UR and DR in a 1-to-1 ratio. It's just very important. You currently have no backlinks, so I can't really give you any statistics on what you currently have, but I'm not sure how long you've had your website for. However, this is one of your competitors, Veteran Garage Door Service. Looks like this company is being found in the first page of Google. What they have going behind the scenes, they have over 38,000 backlinks, over 4,000 referring domains, over 24,000 organic keywords. Again, this is very important. Organic traffic. So they're getting, in a monthly basis, over 17,000 people jumping onto the website. Their DR 32, the UR meter 5. Unfortunately, they're not in a 1-to-1 ratio, but it's good to have when comparing it to other websites. Google will preference your website instead of the one they are comparing to. So pretty much this is what they have going. I do see a little bump here, little increase, but that seems to be steady here. Last and most important, the keywords. These are the keywords I was referring to before. I see you have, let's go back. So you have 20. Your competitor has over 24,000. Looking at the competitor's list of keywords here, this keyword alone has over 250 people being searched inside of Google on a monthly basis. This one without the state, the TX at the end, 100. Just imagine the overall, let's say 350. Imagine those 350 people are finding you instead. This is the whole point of SEO. This is the whole point of having a good website. Colby, if you don't need SEO, that's fine. We specialize in websites only as well. You will have that on-page SEO if you're interested. Either way, if you're not interested with the SEO, again, you will have that SEO implementation on your website. If you are to follow these tips and tricks, of course, you can increase your rankings and bring in more calls. If you're doing this yourself, just be very careful. Careful. You do have to follow protocols. You don't want Google docking your website and it's not going to become available anymore. So just don't let them flag you, in other words. All right, Colby, this is what I have for you. If you enjoyed this video, let me know. I would love to know your thoughts. Or if you're not interested, let me know that too. No harm, no foul. If you're not interested, let me know again, so I won't be sending you any follow-up annoying emails. You know the protocol. Feel free to email me any thoughts or questions. We can even take a phone call to further discuss. Thank you for your time. Hope to hear from you soon. Bye-bye.